Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage schedules for iRobot Roomba i3. To do this, first we'll need to open iRobot app and select the robot. Inside, scroll down and click on the schedules. There's this arrow. Now we'll be able to create our own schedule. You can set it for time or automation. And here for automation, you will need to allow the location service for the app. That way, when you leave home, your robot will automatically start cleaning. Next option is repeat. That means you can pick days for a specific cleaning schedule. So for example, there's Sunday and Monday, and I'm just gonna go with all of the days in the week and leave the Sunday and Saturday off. Then we can start the schedule, and there's also time. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. You can set the time when it should start. When you click on schedule, it should appear right here. You'll be able to click on that switch to activate or deactivate it. When it's blue like this, it means it's activated. If you want to remove the schedule, it should go on. Okay, so apparently, okay, sorry. If you want to remove the schedule again, we can click on that option and then go for the delete button, and yes, delete it from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.